Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install VMware Workstation Pro. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, head over to the VMware official website and click on the button named Download Fusion or Workstation. It will then take you to the Broadcom website. That is because VMware now hosts all of its products on Broadcom. Here, you need to create an account. To do so, click on Login in the top right corner and then click on Register. After that, enter your email address, verify the CAPTCHA and hit Next. Then, verify your email using the code that is sent to you. Now fill out your details like name, country, and password, and then click Create an Account. Once done, go back and log in with your newly created account. Once logged in, go to My Dashboard section. The download link won't be readily available, so you will need to search for VM Workstation Pro in the search bar. Once you find it, click on the link to go to its download page and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you will get the download links. If you are using a Windows or Linux PC, then you need to download VMware Workstation. But for Mac OS computers, you need to download VMware Fusion. As I'm using Windows, I'm going to click on the first link. You can now download the software for your specific operating system. Make sure to choose the personal use version, because the free version is strictly for personal use only. Then, select the latest version available. Note that you'll need to agree to the Broadcom terms and conditions before you can download the software. Then, an additional step will require you to fill out a form with your address and city. Once you have filled out the form, click on Submit, and then click on the Download button. The download should now start. Once downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and run the installation file. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. After installation, launch the VMware Workstation. It will again ask you to enter a license key, but you won't need to enter any license key. Just select the option to use VMware Workstation for personal use, and you'll be good to go. And that's basically how you can download and install VMware Workstation Pro. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.